Hi, welcome to my channel. This is I decided to put bigger brakes on my e46 convertible. So I got these from eBay, the Brembo, and they're from a BMW E38. So they're really old. And they need some love and care, to be fair. They're not in the best of condition, and someone's decided to spray the whole thing. Why would you spray the pistons and the seals? A bit of mix and match as well. I mean, oddly, one was green and the other one was yellow. Must have been a multicoloured car of some form, some sort. So I'm going to go ahead and strip them down. So I'm going to order new pistons, seals, dust caps, and also new bolts here, new nipples, bleed nipples, and also I'm going to order new copper pipe with the new nipples on them for the whole kit. I also need the pins and I need the stainless steel little plate at the back of the caliper, and also I'll get my friend Leon to make me the stickers for Brembo. So I've got the Brembo logo on there as well. This one isn't as bad as that one, but that one's been painted all over. But this one hasn't at the back. This one's been left alone. So maybe it was done in the car, and that was, I mean, he even done the bloody brake line. Crazy. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get this all stripped down. My mate said if I get them stripped down by the weekend, he's sending off all of the stuff to get powder coated. So I'll see if I can get them done by then. Today's Friday, so I've got today, barely tonight, to get it done, and hopefully I'll get them stripped off nice and easy. Because I'm replacing all the seals and everything, I'm just going to use nitro morse. I'm going to leave the cylinders in place, and then once I've got it all stripped and dried, I'll take the cylinders out with air compressor. So I'm not going to completely strip it right down, because I will need to keep the air pressure inside to get these pistons out. Luckily I've got hoses, so I could just put my air line on the end of there, and hopefully they come out, and hopefully these don't snap. I've got a lot of things to take out that you just know they're going to snap, don't you? So we'll have to see how we get on with that one. Yeah, so this is I'm going to keep this, what I'm going to do is I'll keep this video going until I get to the point where I'm putting them back together. And after being powder coated, I just don't know what colour to go for. It's not going to be any of this. So I can't make my mind up if I'm going to go black with silver Brembo on the front, or red with black Brembo. I can't make my mind up. I just don't know what will look good with these M3 style wheels. Well, they are M3 wheels. And also what I've done is, well, because these don't go straight onto normal E46 hubs, well they do, but the M3 version, so I've ordered an M3 pair of hubs. So I'm also going to, while I'm all down there, I'm going to replace the button arms, trackward ends, just to make it all nice, and you know, sort of like while I'm down there, while I've got the hub off, I might as well replace any parts that could be worn down. So yeah, looking forward to this actually. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, because they're just going to look so much more better when I've cleaned them all up. So yeah, stay tuned. Right, so I've got the old nitro morse on it to strip them down. So just let that soak. It's already sort of edging into it, and already the in my eyes, starting to look better. So I'm gonna leave that to, like I said, leave that to soak. Then I'm gonna get the power wash on it, jet wash on it, and hopefully it all comes off. And then I will compress the air out and then strip them right down and send them off to be powder coated. Right. That's if I do powder coat. I don't know what to do yet. I might spray them, but it would be better if they're powder coated, wouldn't they? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Right, so that's them all nice and down to strip down. I think where I'm sending it to is going to give it a sandblast anyway, but I just wanted to don't know, do something with them. Just took all the seals off. I'm going to leave the pistons in. I'm going to leave all these in place, all them, just so we could just hook it up, powder coat it, and then when I get back, I'll swap all these over. I'll obviously that'll get binned. I'm going to order new a rebuild kit basically, so it comes with a new copper pipe with the nuts, new bleed nipples, there's two, one either side, new bolts, new pistons, seals, and also with the kit I've got the pins that go through and the little stainless steel, well, it's a spring. It's a spring that it holds the caliper, stops it from moving, puts tension on it. It sits on them little guides here. There's little guides there, and the pins actually hold the pads in this way. So that's it really. Got got the hubs on the way, like I mentioned. They come with M3 discs, and I don't know if the E38 are the same size discs as the M3. But I'm most likely going to put new discs on anyway to match the new pads that I will be ordering. Why am I putting big brakes on a 2.5 litre 6-pot BMW E46? Because I've got plans for a bigger engine. So I'm going to do I can't remember the number now, brain fog. So I'm going to do the 3 litre turbo conversion. So that will be in the near distant future. So it could be, I'll give it a few months and I'll probably buy an engine, bring it back here, strip it right down, rebuild it, do what's relevant for turbo conversion internally, and throw it in the car. So so I like big brakes anyway, because I think they look good on big wheels. Because when you have standard brakes, even though they are big-ish, they're actually on the convertible, they're actually 330 brakes. They're the same size, but when you've got big M3 wheels, 19-inch, you just look a tad bit small with the small caliper. So I think it'll look nice and tucked with these brembos. It'll look really nice. It'll really finish it off with some nice Jordan groove discs, and yellow stuff pads or something like that, fast road pads. I think it will just as well just finish that look. I will do something with the back brakes as well. Yet to look into what I can fit on the back. If I can just change the caliper maybe, or something just to get rid of that little tiny caliper. Yeah, so yeah, that's it really. So that's the reason why I'm doing it. And I got done really cheap. So you know, and because apart from the powder coating, I can do everything pretty much myself. So I was going to toy with the idea of spraying them, but I've changed my mind. I kind of want that deep glossy look of the powder coating, and I want that durability as well. With spraying things like this, it's not as thick. With powder coatings, they can put it on thicker. So because there's a charge, they put a charge through it, and it connects to it and it doesn't run. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing these brakes actually. Even I love I do enjoy refurbing calipers. It's rewarding. Just because I think you're basically rebuilding it. It just feels nice, and when you press the brake, it just feels. I just like that feeling, that new brake feeling. So yeah. So right, that's the end of this. So next video will be when I get them back powder coated, and then putting new pistons in and stuff. Yeah, so do follow and subscribe, like and subscribe if you want to see the next video of these. So the next video will be then powder coated, and I will be demonstrating how I'm going to get these pistons out, and hopefully all these will screw out and not snap on me, and these, and we'll get to see the finished product and what it's going to be like, along with the M3 front hubs as well. So, which I'm tempted to send off to get powder coated or spray it myself. I don't know yet. I've made my mind up. We'll decide when I get them here. Thanks for watching, guys. All the best.